Have you added pen extension?
I added pen extension. I just can't.
Okay, great. So now you have to click on paint a sprite.
Oh, no shoes.
No, don't choose a sprite, you have to paint a sprite. But we are not going to paint anything over there. It will be blank. Fine?
Yeah, let's.
No, it will be blank. No color, nothing over there. Just paint, click on paint a sprite and go to its code now. Fine? Done, Janani?
Okay, let's proceed.
Okay, fine.
Green flag click.
Good. When green flag clicked, then what will you do?
Not sure.
Not
I
sure.
only know green.
Okay, so I'll help you. I'll help you now. So go to motion and go to X and Y. Once you have done this, I'll tell you the position of X and Y.
56, 28 is mine. 56 and 28.
Yes, but the X position we are going to change it. X position will be minus 240 and Y position, yes, X position will be minus 240 and Y position will be 180. Good. Now go to pen extension and add erase all. Do you know how does this erase all work?
Like I think it no. It will erase all the things.
Which
The pen extension.
Yes, correct. So it will erase everything that the pen extension has created on the stage, right? Good. So now after this, you have to add, yes? Are you saying something?
Yet I'll be saying that erase all is the first one.
Yes, good. Okay, so after erase all, you have to add set pen color to and choose your favorite color. Set pen color to. Choose any color of your choice.
Certainly my favorite.
Great.
But I do your favorite color.
My favorite color. No, this one is not my favorite color. My favorite is black. Yeah. Okay, so have you chosen your favorite color?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you have to add pen down. Add a pen down.
I don't know what pen down does.
Okay, so what happens when you write something with a pencil on a paper? If you want to write Janani on a paper, so how will you write it? First you will write J, okay, and then you will take your pen up to write another letter, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so pen down means you are writing something. Your pencil is touching the paper. And if we are adding pen up, it means that it is on the screen but it's not touching the paper. Okay? Now understood?
Okay.
Okay, great.
Understood.
So after pen down, you have to add a forever block. And what does a forever block do? Yes, it will run. Yes.
Let me show you what I mean.
Okay. But there is no sprite. But there is no sprite, so it will not work.
Look at the direction.
Yes, its direction is changing. Good. Very good. So you know what is the meaning of forever block. Great. So add that forever block after pen down, and inside forever you have to add if then condition.
I thought it would be in this condition.
I'll tell you. The condition will be if touching edge, go to sensing and add if touching mouse pointer, then change mouse pointer to edge.
Okay. But I think
Mouse pointer, change mouse pointer to edge. Great. Then you have to add turn 10 degrees. Go to motion, add turn 15 degrees. In place of 15, I'll type 10 degrees.
clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise. Good. Now add, from motion you have to add if on edge bounce, but it should be outside the if then condition.
1 second.
No, you will not see anything right now. The code is still remaining. Add if on edge bounce outside the if then condition. Good. Now you have to add change pen color by 10. So go to pen extension and add change pen color by 10. Good.
Are we going to replace that?
No, we are not going to replace that. We will keep it color only. Fine. And after change pen color by 10, go to motion, add move 10 steps. In place of 10, type 20.
So 10 times the time.
Yes, move 20 steps.
2 times and which means it's our answer. How much steps you want it to do?
Yes.
Again,
Okay, so now it's ready. You can try it. Check what is it doing.
it's actually doing writing something.
Yes.
It's writing
Yes, so it will create different patterns on the screen, right? It's creating a zigzag pattern for you.
It keeps on doing the same pattern.
Yes, it keeps on doing the same pattern. It's creating a different pattern for me. Check my screen.
Okay. I changed it to red, right?
Yes, I changed it to red because when I used black, see, when I used black, the whole lines on my screen were just of black color. It was not changing the color. Yes, so that's why I changed it to a different color.
Good wording different that happened.
Yes.
Wait, what if I do white? Just white.
Okay, so how did you like this? Did you like this pen extension? That was nice. Okay.
Especially when for the pattern part. Okay, let's see now. Oh wait, look at the colors.
Yes, it's changing its color. And if you add change pen color by 20 or any other number, it will change its color by that interval of time. Okay. Now you can try changing the degrees also. In place of 10, you can write 50 degrees or 90 degrees too. First, stop the program.
It is the same thing.
It's just the same thing. Okay, so in place of um, okay,
90.
first you have to stop the program and then make corrections and then run it again.
It does the same thing.
It does the same thing. Okay.
I like it the way it is.
Okay, great. It's looking beautiful.
Thanks. It looks like it's a piece of art that has created with tons of costumes, but actually, it's just no costume at all.
Yes, no costume at all. And the amazing thing, we haven't chosen any sprite. We haven't even painted a sprite.
Yeah.
Yes, the sprite is moving. That the sprite is invisible.
There's a lot of million costumes or something.
Yes.
Very high number like that. Like to do this
Yes,
costumes. Like
correct.
this one is nothing. I would take less look at tons of costumes. And I don't like this scope.
You remember it? You remember the code now? Okay, so you can use the pen extension to draw different patterns. Okay? Not only this one, you can change the degrees, you can change the number of steps, change pen color, change pen size to draw different patterns on your stage. Fine?
That gives me, yeah.
Okay, great.
I can
So save this one.